Hey, how you doing today? Nice to see you. Today we're going to talk about level changing. You ever been on the dance floor? You see everybody dancing on one level? Well, I want you to figure out how it feels when you're dancing down here with me. We're going to change levels. Today we're going to talk about level changing, okay? Dancing high, dancing low. Come on back. Let's go. Today we're going to talk about changing your level. Level changing. Put that in your mind. Put that in your book. Put that in your body. Most places when we dance, we're up here. We're on the same level and you're dancing. This is your main level, right? But sometimes when you want to get a little creative or the music changes, you can change with that. You can level change. So I went from here to here. Level change from here to here. Go somewhere else. I'm over here. I'm down here. Can you go lower? Ah. Change your levels while you're dancing. This is one of those things that make people go, oh my God, and they'll take that second look and look at you because you're like, oh my God, they're really dancing. They have some cool moves simply because you changed your level. You could have been just doing this back and forth, but because you took that down with that back and forth, you've now become, whoa, creative. You're going to give those people that are watching you the oohs and the ahs for them to come out and express. And they might walk up to you and go, oh my God, you're such a good dancer. And to you, you're just like, oh, I just watched DIYY dance with Carla service, right? And she taught me how to level change. You're just changing your level, changing your level. So I'm low, I'm low. Don't be too shy to go low. Be cool. Who cares? Don't worry about what someone else might be thinking of you. Do you. You do it at home, you know you do. So do it outside. Let yourself be you. I'm changing my level. I'm changing, I'm level. Here's the snake. Remember the snake? Some of you out there remember the snake. It was a snake dance, which is a dance that can never really go outdated. But I'm gonna take my snake and I'm up here. What am I gonna do with it? Follow this music. I'm changing the level, yeah? Oh, what else can you do? Changing your level. Level changes. I'm high, I'm low. I'm high, I'm low. Change your level. Down, smooth. Smooth. While you're changing your level, yeah? Hard. Hard. While I'm changing my level. You guys know about the matrix? Change your level. Just change your level. Talk to yourself and say, I'm going to change my level today. I'm going to put the music on and dance, and I'm going to explore different levels. If you've ever done a back bend, and what they call that when you go out of the country and you go down, 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 the limbo, you did a level change. Hey, practice that, okay? I'll see you when I come back on DIYY Dance. Do it yourself, your way. I'll see you next time.